There are people who are listening to this podcast who are sitting on a fence saying, I don't know if I want to get into the digital sphere. There are other people who are just starting out. Maybe they're on the wrong path in the digital. I certainly was. I thought I'd be an affiliate marketer, but I realized very early on that wasn't for me. And I came in a different way. So what advice would you give to somebody who's just starting out or thinking about starting out being a digital online entrepreneur?
So that's a really good question. And I think that firstly, let's go to more of the bigger picture. And I think why would you want to become a business owner? You know, why would you want to become a business owner? And for me, it was incredibly important, firstly, to create a level of independence and, more importantly, financial independence. Everyone listening to this podcast would have at some stage gone through certain challenges in life, adversities. I know that the big turning point for me in life was being left a single parent, and that was overnight through tragic circumstances. That was a pivotal point in my life, and I was an accountant. And it was at that point that I thought, you know what, I really want to, and this just stayed with me forever. I want to build a financial wall around my family that nothing or no one can get through. And I remember saying that, okay, when you're sort of single parent, single mum, bringing up a daughter, Emily was 4 at the time, you want to provide and be that for that person, for that wonderful human being. You want to be the other person, you want to be the support mechanism, and it's about that financial independence. So it's about why did I want to create a business, firstly? And it was to create that financial independence and build that wall around my family. Why would we get into a digital online space? And I made that transition from a physical business into an online space. And I realized the potential of reaching a huge audience geographically. It was incredibly exciting. My business was really predominantly geographically bound to Australia. And I could all of a sudden, with the internet and with the tools that we have, we can like literally set up at home, which I do. I can be anywhere. I've recently made a relocate 2 states away, even during these incredibly trying times. And even more because of what's happened in the last 12 months, it's allowed this space to just like expand, and people are looking at, people are searching. So my tip for anyone wanting to have a business that they can literally relocate with or move with or just do from home, it would be to get started, just take action. Gary, you know me, right? It's just like get started and take action. Find someone that is doing what you want to do, and whether it could be potentially you, Gary. I mean, you provide an incredible business opportunity by this podcasting process. And there are people out there that just want to know, how do I do it? How do I get started? I would love to do that. It's finding someone that is doing what you want to do and you aspiring to that. And I think that would be, and it's always been my first step in the journey, always finding someone